Excellencies, dear friends, colleagues, members of every delegation, it is an honor to be with you today. We come from different nations, different backgrounds, and different generations.
Yes, this is the biggest COP yet, but attending a COP does not tick the climate box for the year.
And we see, as you see, that the world has reached a crossroads.
We must teach climate action to run. We're standing at a precipice, facing the global stocktake.
Through the global stocktake, we have a chance to unite the three core elements of the climate agenda. We can finally bring mitigation, adaptation, and means of implementation, which includes finance, under one umbrella.
We decide to fund this transition properly, including the response to loss and damage.
Let this be the COP where we deliver on our promises, from the 100 billion to loss and damage. Let's rise above our differences to make the difference for future generations.
And we decide to commit to a new energy system.
Right now, here in the United Arab Emirates, I'm calling you all to unite, to act, and to deliver. I thank you.